drawing? Okay, I don't think you can hold all those crayons at once, sweetheart. Here you go. Took the paper off it? Yeah, okay, that's all right. You don't have to have the paper on. It's okay. Okay, draw on the paper. Draw on the paper, Johnny. Like Mommy showed you. No, it's okay. You don't have to put it back in the paper. You can still draw with it. You do it.
Down, down.
Brown. Is that crayon brown?
Brown.
Brown. Uh-huh.
Brown.
You know what?